Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi guys, today we are gonna make some videos. On my videos, we are going to tell you how to use solder on your project or maybe something like that. But the first, we are gonna to introduce ourselves. My name is Rizky Ramadan.
My name is Muhammad Ridwan Agung Pranama. My name is Rajab Mulia Rahman.
So let's go on videos.
Enjoy it. Okay, before we use the solder, I will tell you about the material. First, we have a solder like this. And next, we have a extractor like this. And the next, we have some component like this. Next, we have a PCB like this. And the last, we have a plate like this.
Okay guys, my name is Rizky. I want to tell you what the function from the component by one. But the first, we have solder. Solder is the function from to gonna melting your lead and matching your component on PCB. This is the main component. The second one, we have stand solder. Is it to stand your solder on the keep stand in the place. And the third, we have a lead. Lead is it to function from is it will be melting and gonna to matching your component on PCB. And the fourth, we have extractor. The function is to take off the mixed liquid on PCB, and then you can make a new some soldering on PCB. And the last one, we have component. For the example, we have LED and capacitor. Component we needed to soldering on the PCB. Just like
Okay, I'm Rajab and I will show you step by step how to use the solder. First, we're gonna the put of the electrical. We put in the plug on the electrical, and then we're waiting for 5 minutes or 6 minutes to the solder be heating. After that, we got the lid and we take the solder. We use to the PCB board like this. First, we put the edge of the solder in the ring in the PCB board, and then we put in the lid to this. We're waiting for 1, 2, 3. We got again. We put in sorry, 1, 2, 3. Like this.
So, the conclusion is we can combine some component by setting the lid using a solder. Well, soldering is a way of combining components in the electrical world.
And so, thank you guys for your attention, and I hope you can take much positive things on my video. And thank you. See you later.
Bye.